In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Amazon using a gift card. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be using your gift card to shop hassle-free on Amazon. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to Amazon.com. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do so before redeeming your gift card. Look towards the top right of the homepage and you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it. You'll be redirected to a page where you need to enter your email address associated with your Amazon account. Once you've typed it in, go ahead and click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure it's accurate and then click on Sign In. After signing in, you'll find yourself on your Amazon dashboard or home page. Now move your cursor to the top right corner where it says Account and Lists. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the option that says Account. This will take you to the account page, which contains various settings and preferences. From here, find and click on the gift cards section. It's your gateway to managing all things related to gift cards, including redeeming them. Once inside, look for the option that says Redeem a gift card and click on it. On the gift card redemption page, you'll see a box where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code found on your physical or digital gift card. Double check for any typos, as these can prevent successful redemption. Once you've entered the correct code, click Apply to Balance. This action adds the gift card funds to your Amazon balance, making the amount readily available for your next purchase. With the gift card balance now applied, it's time to go shopping. Head back to the Amazon store by clicking on the logo or selecting Store from the main menu. Browse through the vast selection of products until you find something you'd like to purchase. Once you've made your selection, click on Add to Cart. After that, navigate to your cart by clicking on the cart icon, usually found in the top right corner. Review your items, and when you're ready, click Proceed to Checkout. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. You'll notice that your available gift card balance is automatically applied to the total cost. If the purchase exceeds your gift card balance, you'll have the option to pay the remaining amount using a credit or debit card or another payment method. And there you have it. Making payments on Amazon using a gift card is simple and convenient, ensuring that your shopping experience is smooth and enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.